All right, so this video is for sine. So when we're using sine alpha equals opposite over hypotenuse, right? Some old horse is how we remember that. Otherwise, I'm just going to do a couple examples out of the notes so that you know how to do this. If I have a triangle, like that first example, top left, and x here, 10, 33. So I'm going to set this up by taking, right, this 33 is opposite x. That's why x goes on top, right? 10 is my hypotenuse, but sine of 33, because that's what alpha is my angle, is equal to x over 10. And if I'm solving here, right, this is just a ratio, that x over 10. So if I want to write my sine 33 over 1 as a ratio as well, all I'm doing is a cross multiplication. So x would be equal to sine 33 times 10, right? So on my calculator, I can just punch in sine, type 33, and then type 10, and it'll just give me an answer. You might have to multiply by 10. You might be using your cell phone, right? And if you got an iPhone, you're probably going to hit 33 first, then you'll punch sine, then you'll say times 10, and you'll get your answer. But either way, you're going to get the same answer, and this is going to be a 5.7, right? We just round these to the nearest tenth, so it's not perfect, but always round to the nearest tenth, and we'll just take those answers that way. Otherwise, the next example I'm going to do is the bottom right example. So, excuse me, that looked weird. That one has 25 here. This is 42, and x is my hypotenuse. So this one's going to be different because 25 is opposite of 42. X is my hypotenuse. So that makes x the bottom part of my ratio. Excuse me. So it's sine 25 equals 42 over x. In which case, again, if I put that over 1, all we're really going to do is kind of a means switch, that flip-flop that we normally do. So you just exchange sine 25 and x. So what you're going to do on your calculator is take 42 and divide it by sine of 25, and that's going to give you your value of x. Again, if you're using a cell phone and you turned it sideways so you have those functions available to you, you're really going to do this one kind of weird because you're going to have to do 42, you'll hit divide, and then you'll type 25 before you hit sine, and then you're going to hit the equal button, and then you can get your answer. But either way, when you do that, you should be able to get the answer of 99.4, and that should be good.